Hey guys, welcome back to Adventures with Rob. Really sunny out today, so I'm kind of got the squints on. But that right there is my 66 Ford Galaxie 500. It's got a 390 automatic in it. I got it soaped down and soaking. I'm going to take you in and show you just how filthy this thing is and how easy it is. We're going to get it cleaned up. If you look close, this thing's got the perfect patina. But if you go along here, it's just got a lot of grime. This sat for years underneath an old tree. I started scrubbing it down back here and getting it all off, but if you look close, it's just got a lot of the little shadows and marks where people have hit it with the sand or the power washer before. And all I did is put some Dawn dish soap on a little scrub pad and just give it some elbow grease. I'll do half and then we'll rinse it down and see how it looks. I'm gonna put you guys up here so you can see a little better. If this doesn't work, I have some other stuff we'll try and get it off there with too. I'm gonna go grab the sprayer. Better, but not perfect. You can really see it was really bad. I got pine needles all over. It was really bad in here. But if you look, you can see what half's what. And this is the stuff I'm talking about. This black, I don't know if it's tree sap or just gravel road dust getting baked on and caked on, but we got some other things we're gonna try too. Okay, so the phone quit recording on me. I ran out of storage. It just cleared a little bit up, so I'll make this quick. I went over everything with just a sponge, rough blue sponge, this here, and with a little bit of Dawn dish soap. I just wetted everything down first, scrubbed it down, and then I came through the real tough areas. There's still some shadowing in it here and there. I think it's just because it's been caked on there for 20 years. I used this steel wool Brillo pad, very, very lightly. Just rub it. It'll take all the rust out of stuff. If I rubbed longer, it would pull that out, but I don't want to make it any worse than it is. I'm going to go ahead and do one half of the whole car, and I'll bring you back and I'll show you a picture of what it looks like when it's halfway done. Get you down in here. Look how dirty all that is. All kinds of green slime and just muck everywhere down in there. I'm going to go over all this with soapy water, scrub it down by hand, and then I'll come back through with a SOS pad on all this chrome, make it shine really nice. Just hitting the chrome with some degreaser, make it pop a little bit, clean up nice hopefully. This just takes the top layer of dust and grime off. Just kind of smooths everything out. Show you what this stuff does. This is just a steel wool on the chrome. This stuff's all hazy and we need it to pop right over to the center, just so we can get a before and after view. See how nice we can make it look. We're going to do a car show. A little over a month is the goal. We got a pile of things we want to do to this. Hopefully we can get it all done in time and take you guys along for the ride. If you're interested, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and send some friends. We're trying to inspire some people to just get an old junker and get it on the road and go to a car show. Get out and do it. Who cares what it looks like? There's more of this one missing than what's there. But I still get compliments on it, and I enjoy that. Move you back just a bit. Come in up close. This stuff works so good to get the haze off of it. I can come back through with some polish and clean that up. But here, I'll show you. Not good to set it in the gravel, but like this here. Minimal elbow grease. It'll even take it off the paint too. I know a lot of you are probably shaking your head and screaming at me right now, but this is not a collector. This is a get it running and drive it with the family in it, just because it's cool and old. Okay, now watch. Not brand spanking new, but it's better than it was. Alright, I got half of the front bumper done, half of the rest of the car done. You can see everything here. Couple spots I want to touch up, but before, after. I'll check back when I have it completely done and give you one more walk around. Alright, we got it all completely washed. Hand scrubbed down just real quick. I didn't go too deep with anything. I used a degreaser mixed with the soap, and it kind of left things really spotty. That's the grime that was in there. It took it off really good in some spots and not so well in others. I got some tree sap stuck on it. This is not the final wash. I just wanted to get all that stuff that was on there knocked off. This cleaned up really good. The chrome did pretty good. No more moss and barnacles and all that nasty stuff. You can see where the paint's really spotty. We're going to try to get deeper in there and clean that up. Chrome turned out really nice. I'm going to put something on this patina to try to make it stop spreading. Look at the front chrome on this. Flawless. Thanks for watching, guys. That was just a quick wash down of the Galaxie. There's more to come. We're going to do a lot of different things to it. Throw in some ideas for what you guys think I'll see what we think and maybe we'll do them. Thanks for watching. Bye.